Hi students, I am Tufan. Welcome to CMI's digital classes. Today we will learn class 4 first chapter exercise 1.2. This is related to the large number. It's very easy chapter. See, fill in the blanks. You have to fill in the blanks with the particular number, particular digit. So here you have to check how many 10,000s are here. So as we have already learned about the place value chart. So ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s. So how many 10,000s are here in this number? 8. So here it will be 8 10,000s. Then you have to take how many thousands? So ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Is there any thousands number? Is there any number in thousands place? No. So here it will be 0. So 0,000s and then ones, tens, hundred. In hundred place how many number? 4. So here it will be 400. Tens place 5. Okay, so here it will be 5 tens and in ones place we have 9. So here it will be 9. So this is how you can fill up with the required number in the blanks. Okay, so this number is also you can see ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000. So in 10,000s place we have 3. So 3 into 10,000s, then ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So 7 is there in thousands place. So 7 into thousands and then 100 place we have 0. So it will be 0 into 100. 0 into 100 means 0. Then in tens place we have 8. So it will be 8. And then in ones place we have 5. So it will be 5 into 1. So this is also the same thing, but here these numbers are not given. These words are not given, so you have to write it. Okay, so 9, 10,000, ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000. So 9 multiply 10,000. So ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000. Then 3 multiply thousands. Then 4 is in 100 place, so 4 multiply 100. Then 5 is in tens place, so 5 multiply 10. Then 8 is in ones place, so 8 multiply 1. So this is how you can solve question number 1 of exercise 1.2. Now you have to prepare the place value chart of the numbers given. So we have noted 3 numbers. So these you have to prepare the place value chart like this. So you don't need to prepare separately for each questions. You can prepare one chart and you can arrange all the number in that particular chart. So question number 1 is we have ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So starting from thousands place we will do. So we have 8 in thousands place, so we will write 8. Then in hundred place we have 9. No, this is 10,000s place. So there is no any number in 10,000s place. So this is thousands place. So here it will be 8. Then 100 place we have 9. And tens place we have 3. And ones place we have 4. So this number we will read it as 8,934. Okay. So the next number is that ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000. So 7, 10,000. So in 10,000s place will be 7. Then 2 is in thousands place, so 2. Then 5 is in 100 place, so 5. Then 8 is in tens place, so 8. Then 4 is in ones place, so 4. Next number we have is 90009. That means ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000. So 9 10,000s means 90,000s and 9 ones. There is no any number in thousands place, hundred place or tens place. So only we have number 9 in 10,000 place. So 9, and then thousands place we have 0, hundred place we also have 0, and tens place also we have 0. And then you have 9 in ones place. So 9 in ones place. So this is how you can prepare the place value chart of a particular number. So do the rest of all number, prepare the chart for the rest of all number by yourself. Next types of problem which we have is related to the place value. So there are two types of values normally we used to know. Is all about place value of a number and face value of a number. So let's discuss first about the place value and the face value of a number. So first we have is place value. So the place value is the number of the places, the number multiply the number of the places. For example, we can take this one only. Suppose this is the number, you have to write the place value of 6. The place value of 6. So here it will be 6 multiply the places of the number is 1s, 10s, 100. So 100. So that means 600 will be the place value of 6 in this number. Okay, so very simply you have to write the number multiply by the place of the number. Okay, now the face value. Face value is the number itself. If I am talking about what is the face value of 2 in this number, then 2 will be the face value. What is the face value of 5 in this number? Then 5 is the face value. So face value means very simply the number itself. But the place value means the number multiplied by the place of the number. For example, we can ask the place value of 2 in this number. So 2, there are two digit number. So 1, 2, it will be 2 multiply. The place is 10, so 10, 20. Another 2's will be 2 multiply 1, 2, 3, 1, 10, 100, thousands, 10,000. So multiply by 10,000s. 1, 10, 100, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, so it will be 20,000s. So this is how you can write the place value of a particular number. So instead of this number, we can take another example. Okay, suppose it is asking write the place value of 7 in this number. 6, 3, 2, 8, 7, 5. What is the place value of 7 of this number? So it will be the number multiplied by the place of the number means 10. So 10, that means 70 will be the place value of the number. We can take another example. 4, 2, 0, 6. Okay. So the place value of 10 with the place value of 0. So it will be 0 multiply the place value of 0 is 10. So that means 0 into 10 will be 0 only. So the place value of 0, it may be anywhere, it will be 0 only, because whenever you are multiplying with that particular places, then it will be 0 only. So the place value of 0 will be 0 always. Okay. So this is how you can write down or you can find the place value of a particular number. So next type of problem which we have is in this particular number, you have to write 5 is at which place. Okay. So very simply you have to check 1s, 10s, 100. So in which place the 5 is in? 100 place. So you have to write 100 place. So answer will be in 100 place. Okay, so 100 place. Then next which we have is in this much the underlined digit is. So it is asking about this digit. This is underlined digit. So this digit is which place? Is in which place? So 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. So is in thousands place. So this number will be in thousands place. So if it is very easy to write, if you are familiar, if you are aware about the place value chart, very simply 1s, 10s, 100, these three are in one period. Then tens, these three are in ones period. Then thousands period you have thousands, 10,000s. Then after thousands, lakhs period, lakhs, 1 lakhs, 10 lakhs. Then crore period. 1 crore, 10 crore. So likewise it will goes on. So if you are aware about the place value chart, you no need to worry about the solve any problems related to the large number. Okay. So here this is how the answer of these two will be. Okay. So now we will check the another question. This is question number second one. Write the numerals. So you have to write the numerals. Number names are given. You have to write the numerals of these number names. So first number names is given 40,099. So in thousands place we have 40. So first we will write 40, then 99. That means in tens place we have 9 and in ones place we have 9. But there is no any number in 100 place. So 100 place if there is no any number, we have to give 0. So in any particular places if there is no any number, in that particular places we will give 0. So 0 in 100 place, then 99, show 99. This is how we can write 40,099 like 40099. Okay. Next number which it is asking about 8,009. So here also in thousands place we have 8, but in 100 place neither in number, neither any number in tens place also. Only we have number in ones place, that is 9. So we will give in 100 place also 0, in tens place also 0, in one place we have number 9. So this number we will read as 8,000s, ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 8,000s and 9. So this is how you can write the rest of all numerals into numerals. The rest of all number names into numerals by yourself. Now question number 3, write the places of 1000 period and 1 period. So you have to write all the places of these two periods. So first you have to understand about the period and places. As I told several times that these are distributed into 3 and then 2 period in Indian place value system. First period we have 3 digit, ones, tens and 100. These three are called ones first period or ones period. Next period which we have is 1000 period. In thousands period we have 1000s and 10,000s, and then after thousands it's lakh period. So in lakhs period also we have 1 lakhs, 10 lakhs. Then next we have crore period. In crore period also 1 crore, 10 crore. So likewise it will goes on from right side to the left side. Okay. So here first it is talking about write the places of thousands period. So in thousands period we have 1000s and thousands. 1000s and 10,000. So it will be either you can write thousands or 1000s and 10,000. So 1000, 1000s and 10,000s. So these are the two numbers which we have in thousands place, but here in ones place we have ones first, ones, then tens, then 100. So in this place it will be ones, then we have tens, then we have thousands. So these are the three things which we have: ones, tens and thousands in ones period. If it is asking in lakhs period, then 1 lakhs and 10 lakhs. In crore period, 1 crore and 10 crore. So this is how, if any particular places, if it is asking about any particular period, how many places are there, then you can write the total number of places. So first means ones period we have 3 digits, 3 places, ones, tens, 100. In thousands place we have 2 1000s, 10,000s, and then lakhs period also 1 lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore period also 1 crore and 10 crore. Now it is asking about, you have to write the period also and place also. So both the thing you have to write. First period and then place. So it is very easy to write the number in period and in place also. So to separate these all first in period. So first you can see, but you have no need to tell all the number. You have to just tell the underline word on number only, digit only. So underline digit here it is 5 and here it is 1. So in this particular cases you have to tell only. So first period. So which period this number is in. So first to separate in period, first 3 digit 1 stands 100. These are in first period, means ones period. Then thousands, 1000s and 10,000, these are in thousands period. So if it is talking about 5, so 5 is in ones period. Okay, so period ones, but place is another. Place is 100. So try to understand the difference between period and place. So here the 5 is in ones period, but 100 place. Why? Because these all three are in ones period. These two are in thousands period. So if I am talking about 4 is in thousand period. But if it is asking about place, then it is in 10,000 place. Okay. So here don't be confused in period and place. So period are the 3, 2, 2, 2. It will goes on. But place are the place of the particular number only. So if I am talking about the period and place of 5, so period will be ones period, okay, and place will be hundreds, okay. So we will write this as period is equal to ones and place is equal to 100. So this is the difference, ones and 100. Now if we are talking about this one, so which period first is set? These are in one period and these two are in thousands period. So one is in case of period it will be thousands. Okay. So thousands. It is in thousands period. But if you are talking about place, then it is ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s. So it is in 10,000s place. So if we are talking about place, then it is in 10,000. 10,000 places. So this is the difference between place and period of a number. Periods, all the first three are in ones period, then next two are in one period, means 1000 period, then next two are in lakh period. So whenever it may be in 1000 place, it may be in 10,000 place. The period is same for both, thousands also, 10,000s also, lakhs also, 10 lakhs also. So period is same. For thousands, 1000s and 10,000s, period will be thousands. For 1 lakhs and 10 lakhs, period will be lakhs. For 1 crores and 10 crores, period will be crores. And for ones, tens and 100, these all 3 digit, the period will be ones only. But place will be vary from number to number. Place as per the place of the number only. Okay. Now I hope you can do exercise 1.1 and 1.3 by yourself as a homework. So write down the homework, exercise 1.2 and 1.3, and do by yourself. Thank you. Have a nice time. Take care.